Remove the front cover fixing screws. Gently take off the front cover. Be careful not to pull or damage the cables. When unplugging the cable, slightly lift it upward to avoid the stopper. Slowly peel off the light-blocking adhesive. Try to avoid leaving adhesive residue on the machine. Remove all printing screen retaining blocks. Remove the sealing silicone strip. Remove the printing screen. If there is adhesive residue left on the machine, wipe it off with a lint-free cloth moistened with alcohol. Make sure the installation area of the printing screen is clean and free of contamination. Peel off the protective film on the back of the printing screen. Before installing the new printing screen, make sure the Fresnel lens is clean. Place a sheet of paper on the surface of the printing screen, power on the machine, and test whether the printing screen exposes properly. Install the printing screen retaining blocks. Peel off the protective film on the front of the printing screen. Install the printing screen sealing silicone strip. Apply new light-blocking adhesive. The inner edge of the light-blocking adhesive must not be attached to the tempered glass surface. Press and seal firmly around all edges to prevent resin leakage. Install the fixing screws of the printing screen adapter board. When installing the front cover, be careful to avoid damaging the internal cables.